Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into YouTube with the Google account you want linked to the channel. Once signed in, make sure your email is verified and enable two-step verification to secure access. This prevents accidental disconnection later. Next, accept the minimal permissions YouTube requests so features work. These early steps establish account identity and safety, which is why you do them before deeper configuration. Now that credentials and security are confirmed, move straight to channel and device connections. Once in YouTube Studio, go to Settings and choose Channel to check feature eligibility. This is where you enable live streaming and monetization steps. Verify your phone number if required, because many features depend on that verification. Then use Settings right arrow connected apps to link third-party services or streaming software. Grant OAuth permissions only for tools you trust. Make sure to configure streaming keys and privacy defaults here. These middle steps are detailed because they control what your connected YouTube account can actually do. Finish by testing the connection. Upload a short private video or run a private stream to confirm uploads, titles, and thumbnails work as expected. Make sure your branding, channel description, and notification preferences match your goals, and verify that connected apps show active status. If something goes wrong, revoke the app's access and reauthorize it, clear browser cache, or redo phone verification. These fixes resolve most connection hiccups. Once tests pass, your YouTube account is fully connected and ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.